Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 8 of English grammar, that is adjective, kinds of adjective. Dear students, in this chapter we have read the definition of adjective, features of adjective, kinds of adjective. In the kinds we have read the adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective, possessive adjective, and proper adjective. And dear students, we have also completed the exercise first, which is given at the page number 36. Dear students, in this exercise, in the exercise number first, I had given the homework, question number 10, 11, 12. Question number 11, 12. I think I have completed the question number 10. 11, 12, these two questions were your homework. And I hope that you all have completed. Those who have completed, they will match. And those who did not complete, they will complete it right now. Dear students, just see in this question. What was the question? Underline the adjective. Dear students, what was the question? You have two sentences are given and you have to underline that sentence. And you have to also tell the kinds, of which kind it belongs to. You have to tell the kind's name, kinds of adjective, as well as you have to underline the adjective in the given sentence. Okay students, just see. Just see the question. What was the question? Exercise first and question number 10. What is question number 10? Just see, the question number 10 I have completed, but once again I am just telling you. Deepak and Kunal are close friends. Okay students, this is your sentence. You can see in your book at the page number 36. You see, in this question you have to underline the what? Adjective. What is adjective? The word close qualifies, that tells the quality of the friend. What kind of friend? Close friend. Okay, it tells the quality of the friend, that therefore that is adjective of quality. In the blank, students, you will fill adjective of quality. Okay students, in the given blank you will fill adjective of quality. Okay students, question number 10 completed. Question number 11. What is question number 11? Those men are very clever. There are two words are adjective. Those men are very clever. Okay students, just see. Dear students, there are two adjectives used, but you have to underline only one, and you have to also tell the kinds only one, because there is not enough space, but I will tell you. Just see. Those men. Dear students, I have already told you while teaching the demonstrative adjective, I have told you that the word this, that, these, those, and such, these words are used to point out something, used to denote something with a noun. If it is used with a noun to denote something, to point out something, to show something, then that would be the demonstrative adjective. Okay students, so in this sentence you can see, in this sentence the word those is an adjective. The word those is an adjective, and that is also adjective. that is also adjective, but you underline it only, and that is demonstrative adjective, and that is adjective of quality. Okay students, but you will underline this because there is not enough space to write. The word those is demonstrative adjective, and that is adjective, and in the blank you will write demonstrative adjective. Okay students, just write down. That is demonstrative adjective. Just write it. Those men are very clever. In this sentence, the word those is an adjective. And what kind of adjective? That is demonstrative adjective. Okay students, just write down in your book only. No need to write in the notebook. And come to the next question, question number 12. Dear students, the word clever is also adjective, but what kind of adjective? That is adjective of quality. Okay, keep in your mind only, no need to write. Question number 12. What is question number 12? Just see. Mr. Gupta is a wealthy person. Mr. Gupta is a wealthy person. Okay students, this is your sentence. Mr. Gupta is a wealthy person. In this sentence you have to tell adjective. What is adjective? The word wealthy denotes the quality of this person. Just see, what is an adjective? The word wealthy is an adjective. What kind of adjective? That is adjective of quality, because the word denotes the quality of this person. The word wealthy is used to tell the quality of this person. What kind of person? Wealthy person, rich person. So that is adjective of quality. Okay students, just write down. Mr. Gupta is a wealthy person. In this sentence, the word wealthy is an adjective. And what kind of adjective? That is adjective of quality. Okay students, so just write it, complete it. In this way we have completed the exercise first, and now we will discuss the exercise second, which is given at the page number 36. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood these things, and therefore I am going to erase it. Come to the next question. Question number next. Just see. What is the question? That is filling the blanks. You can see it is at the page number 36. Just see students, what is your question? Fill in the blank with correct adjective from the brackets. Dear students, there is helping box. A bracket is also given, and you have to select the most appropriate adjective from the brackets, and that you have to fill in the given blank. Okay students, just see. You have to fill in the given blank. Just see, what is the first question? There isn't, it is written here, there isn't blank is given, milk in the jug. Milk in the jug. J-U-G. This is your sentence. And what is given in the bracket? You can see it is given any little. The word any and little. L-I-T-T-L-E. These two words are written in the given bracket, and you have to select one. You have to select one that is most appropriate to fill in this blank. Okay, what would be? There isn't any milk, not little, any milk. Dear students, you will fill the word any in the given blank. That is the most appropriate, suitable word to fill in the blank. Okay students, just fill it. The word isn't. any milk. Okay, there is no milk. It is in negative. Okay, there isn't any milk in the jug. You will fill the word any, you will fill the adjective any in the given blank. Come to the next question. What is next question? Just see. Second, the early bird, sorry, the is given here, blank is given, bird caught the worm. Bird caught the worm. WORM S. Just see. Early, you will fill here early. The students, in the blank it is written, in the bracket it is written late and early. Late and early. EARLY. It is written. But what would be the most appropriate? That would be early. The early bird caught the worm. Okay? That is also a proverb. Yes, see. The early bird caught a worm. Caught the worm. The early bird caught the worm. Okay, students? The early bird caught the worms. You will fill the word early in the given blank. Okay, students, come to the next question. Question number 3. What is question number 3? You can see there is a blank and word of it, blank is given. We have to fill word of it. Word of it is true. Okay, student, this is your sentence. Blank is given and you have to fill what? You have to fill. Dear students, I am going to erase it. You have already filled it. Therefore, I will write the option here. You can see each and every. There are two options. Each and every. You have to select only one to fill in the blank. Just see. Each word. Dear students, every, that is not appropriate because there is singular. Therefore, we will also use the adjective singular. Just see. Each word, there would be each. EACH. Okay, students? Just see. There would be each. Just see. Each word of it is true. Okay, students? Just see. Each word of it is true. We will fill the word each in the given blank. Okay? EACH. Come to the next question. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Just see. Kapil is very handsome boy. Kapil is a very, blank is given, boy. Okay, students, I will not write with this. Let's see. There is an option. Kapil is very, blank is given, dot 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 and boy. And what is the option? Sufficient and handsome. You have to fill only one. Sufficient and handsome. Just see. There are two adjectives that you have to fill in the given blank. What is that? Kapil is a very what? Sufficient? No. Handsome is the correct word. Okay? Therefore, we will fill the word handsome. HANDSOM. Okay, just see. Kapil is a very handsome boy. Just see, Kapil is very handsome boy. In this sentence, in this blank, in the given blank, we will fill the word handsome. We will fill the adjective handsome. That is the most appropriate according to the sentence. Okay, students, just write it. The word handsome is the most appropriate word to fill in the blank. Okay, come to the next question. Question number 5. Just see the question number 5. What is question number 5? Blank is given. Many marks did you get? Blank is given. There is written many marks. M-A-R-K-S. Okay. Many marks did you get? Did you get? This is your question. And there is question mark. And it is written how. There is two options. How and which. That is interrogative adjective. Just see what we will fill. How many marks did you get or which many marks? We cannot use which with the word many. Therefore, that is wrong. And what would be the most appropriate? How. How many marks? Yes, students, you will fill the word how in the given blank. Just see. How many marks did you get? In the blank, in the question number 5, we will fill the word how. Okay? Just fill, students. How. How many marks did you get? We will fill the word, we will fill the adjective how in the given blanks. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood. Come to the next question. Question number 6. Yes, students, I hope that you all have written. Therefore, I am going to erase it. If anyone have any kind of doubts, can ask on WhatsApp. Okay. Just see the question number next. What is the next question? Question number 6. Just see the question number 6. What is question number 6? There is a blank already. Pastries looks delicious. P-A-S-T-R-I-E-S. Pastries look delicious. Look delicious. Okay, just see. Pastries look delicious. In this sentence, and there is two options given. What is that? This, these. This and these. There are two options. The word this and these. You have to select only one according to the sentence. Students, we all know that we use the word this with singular subject. Okay? So just see, but here pastry is given, it is plural. Therefore, we will also use the adjective plural. Okay? What would be that? These. These pastries look delicious. That is what kind of adjective? That is demonstrative adjective. Okay, students? I hope that you all have understood the things. You can fill it by your own. Just see. These pastries look delicious. That is the correct sentence. And in the blank, we will fill the word these. T-H-E-S-E. Okay, students? Just fill it. Come to the next question. Question number 7. Just see again. What is question number 7? Students, I am going to erase these two questions. Question number 4 and 5. And I hope that you all have done. Just see the question. Question number 7. What is question number 7? There is a blank, and of these shirt has to that is plural, has to be washed and ironed. Okay, just see. You have to fill. Option is given. Each and every. There are two adjectives given. You have to select only one. Okay, students, just see. Dear students, there is helping verb used, singular. Therefore, we will also use this each. Just see. Each of these shirts. Okay? Each of these shirts has to be washed. Okay? We will use the word each according to the sense of the sentence, and there is also used has that denotes the singular. Therefore, we will also use the adjective singular. Let's see. Each of these shirts to be washed and ironed. In the blank, you will fill the adjective each in the given sentence. Okay, students, just do it. Come to the next question. Question number 8. What is question number 8? Just see. A square has, you all know, that is very simple. Okay, I am writing with this. No. Just see. Question number 8. A square has. There is blank sides. Okay, students, just see. There are 4 and heavy. There are two options. 4 and heavy. HEAVY. Just see. A square has 4 sides. That is most appropriate. 4. We will fill the adjective 4. That is adjective of number that we can count. Just see. A square has 4 sides. Okay. Just see, students. In the blank, in the question number 8, you will fill the word. You will fill the adjective 4. FOUR. Come to the next question. Question number 9. A country is of a. A country is of a. Each of a. Blank is given. Years. EAYEARS. Okay, there is option deep 100. Deep and hundreds. There are two options. You have to select only one, deep and hundreds. HUNDRED. Okay, you have to select only one. Just see the sentence. A country is of 100 years. Now deep years. 100 is the correct option. Okay, students. Therefore, we will fill the option 100. HUNDRED. Okay. A country is of 100 years. In this sentence, we will fill the adjective hundreds. Okay. HUNDRED. Okay. 100 years. Okay, students. I hope that you all have understood the things. Come to the next question. Question number 10. That is the last question of this exercise. Exercise number 2. Just see question number 10. What is given? Question number 10. Just see the question. It was fun to open. It was fun to open. It was fun to open. Blank is given. Gift after the party. Gift after the party. Just see. It was fun to open. There is option. There are two options that we have to select. Each, let us see, and those. There are two options that you have to see. Just see. It was fun to open each gift after the party. Okay. Just fill each. It was fun to open dear students, there may be both correct. Just see, if we are pointing out that gift, then we can fill the word, but those is written, there is singular. There, that is wrong. That is wrong because those, with those we will use the plural noun. Okay, but it is written here singular noun. Therefore, we will, that is wrong. We will fill each. Okay, the word each we will fill in the blank. Those is wrong. Why? Because that there is singular. If there is plural gifts, then we can fill this also. Then we can fill the word those. But there is singular, therefore we will fill each. Each, it was fun to open each gift after the party. Okay, students, that is correct. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood the things. If anyone have any kind of doubts, can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, so in this way we have completed the exercise first and exercise second of this chapter. Okay, students, in the next class we will discuss the exercise third and optional question given in this chapter. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you.